Let's tackle the process of updating a contributed module first. So you can see step-by-step instructions on drupal.org/node/250790. So first, it suggests reading any documentation like upgrade.txt and readme.txt. So I'm going to jump to the root directory of my Drupal site. I'll expand the modules folder and color box. And I don't see any upgrade.txt files. Let's take a quick look at the README. It has features, installation, nothing about update. Okay, so we're just going to go through the standard upgrade process. It suggests backing up your database and files, which we've already done, and then put your site into maintenance mode, and you can get to the page at admin config development maintenance. So we'll go to configuration, and here's the development subheading, and here's maintenance mode. And let's put this on and save configuration. So now if we go to this page in a browser where we're an anonymous user, we'll get this site under maintenance message. Next it says replace the module code with the updated version, and it has instructions for manually doing it or doing it via Drush. We're going to go with the manual method. So I'm going to go back to our site, and I'll go back to the modules page. And here I'm going to click the available updates link. And this will show us what version of the contributed module is suggested for us. And it includes a download link. So I'll click download and save it. Now I'll expand it. And I'll open up the root directory of our site, and I'm going to delete the colorbox folder completely. And I'll take the new colorbox folder, I'll copy it, and I'll paste it in the modules folder. Okay, and then the next step, if we go back to the list, is to run update.php. We can get to that by going up to the URL and typing update.php. It tells us to back up everything, and now I'll hit continue. It says one pending update, and it describes the update, just in case we want to know. And I'll click apply pending updates. Now let's go back to our front page, and everything loads up okay. Our final step is turning off maintenance mode. So let's click this link here and uncheck the put site into maintenance mode, click save configuration, and now when we load the page as an anonymous user, we see our site. So now we're only seeing one error at the top of the screen because our contributed modules are up to date.